In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share only a portion of your screen in Zoom. This is a great way to stay focused on exactly what you want your audience to see while keeping the rest of your desktop private. It's especially helpful for demos, guiding someone through one app, or hiding notifications and background clutter. First, open the Zoom desktop app on your computer and sign in if you're prompted. Next, start a meeting so you have the meeting controls available. You can do this with a new meeting to practice, or in a live session if you already have one scheduled. If you're not the host and don't see the option to share, you might need the host to allow participant screen sharing. Once you're in the meeting, look for the green share button in the meeting controls at the bottom of the screen and click it. If you're on a Mac and this is your first time sharing, your operating system may ask for screen recording permission. Allow it and return to the meeting to continue. A share screen window will appear. At the top of this window, click the Advanced tab. This switches you from the default options to more specialized sharing choices. Here, select Portion of Screen. This mode tells Zoom that you want to manually pick a small, adjustable area instead of broadcasting your entire display or a specific window. With Portion of Screen selected, click the blue Share button in the bottom right corner. Right away, you'll see a green border appear on your desktop. This is the frame that defines exactly what others will see. Click and drag any edge or corner to resize the box, and click inside the box to reposition it over the content you want to show. Only what's inside the green border is visible to participants. Everything outside remains hidden. Take a moment to line things up. If you're demonstrating a website, make the frame just large enough to include the browser content area without the rest of your desktop. If you plan to switch between parts of an app, consider making the box slightly larger than the content so nothing gets cut off. You can also move your content under the frame, whichever is easier. If someone mentions they can't see what you're referencing, it usually means the element slipped outside the border, so simply drag the frame to include it. If you don't see the Portion of Screen option under Advanced, make sure you're using the Zoom desktop app and update it to the latest version. That's it. Precise, private, and polished screen sharing in Zoom without broadcasting your entire desktop.